you how you are. You just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Hindi kita malilimutan. Sama-sama tayo at walang
Ina! Ito talaga nanalo ko. Ay! Ayan! My child!
A few moments later.
Sige!
It's a kundol. Ano kundol? Patola, upot, kalabasa. Meron pa. Ako yung kundol. Kundol, patola. Yung una nga yun eh. Kung ka naman tinatapos mo.
Oh, hi. Say hi.
The coconut nut is a big, big nut. Why are you laughing at me? I'm not kidding. The coconut nut is a big, big nut. The big nut is a big, big nut. The coconut nut. When you eat too much, you get very fat now. It's a big...
The coconut nut is a very nut. Kaya ginawa lang.
The coconut nut is a big, big nut, but this delicious nut is not a nut. Sabihin nyo, kaya natin to. Kabataang Feeling gangsta every time I see ya. You're the king, baby, I'm the queen of disaster.
I know you're nothing! Okay, come on! Come on! That's nothing!
Alam nyo, hindi pa po good pawis ang hinanay ng mga idols. Training sa umaga, training sa gabi. Talagang walang kapagulang na training. Pero ginagawa ito ng lahat ng idols para sa mga fans sa kanila. At talaga namang mapapahanga ka.
Sino ba ang taga-drawing? Magaling po mga architecture po sa Tingnan.
Totoo. Patikin nga ng cookie mo? Oo, tingnan mo yung cookie ko may mani. Ah! Oh, may mani nga yan. Kagat naman ng cookie. Yung may malaking mani o yung may maliit na mani? Yung mani, di mo ako tigawas. Ako doon.
Wait lang, ayan. Ano ang bagay na sumisingaw?
Kanal.
Nipe ay gums.
Sumisingaw. Ano
Gums nga, may singaw.
Putok. Singaw. Putok. Ano? Imbornal. Totoo naman. Yung sink niyo sa ano? Sink niyo sa lababo.
No.
Ay, maputi yan. Oh. Honest na may mahal ka ng iba. Aminin mo. Stop the car, kuya. I said stop the car. Stop the car. Kunwari, mag-shoot kami ng cycle sa asa. Mga dadali. Ang daming nangyayari, ha? Manahimik kayo lahat. We're going. Uy, may nagpaano. Oh my God, what is that?
It's a Philippine Eagle.
Oh my God! Come to Philippines. I will tour you. I will be your tour guide.
Yeah.
I will tour you here in the Philippines. Come here. You know what? Here in the Philippines, we believe that if it's raining and if it's sunny day, there's an encanto na nagpapakasal, getting married. No, kapre, a human tree. They are getting married. So you should really come here in the Philippines so you can witness the marriage happening.
Magsasend kayo ng diamond, sisigaw si Stacy dito.
Ay, oo, gaga! Ayun, kaya kong gawin yun! Kaya kong gawin yun.
Oh my God, okay, thank you, eto na.
Oh my God! Para sa inyo to! Okay. Para sa inyo to, Bini. Go. Okay.
Kulit, kanino ka lang? Ba't mo natanong?